Can I add songs to an existing playlist on Pandora?
Hello and welcome to our new tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to add songs to an existing playlist on Pandora. If you love curating your own playlists and discovering new music, you're in the right place.
Does Pandora allow adding songs to playlists?
Before we dive into the how, let's address the question: can we even add songs to an existing playlist on Pandora? The answer to this question is nuanced. For Pandora's free, ad-supported users, there isn't a direct way to manually add specific songs to a playlist. However, if you're a Pandora Premium subscriber, you have the ability to search for and add songs to playlists.
How can I upgrade to Pandora Premium?
If you're not already a premium user and you want the ability to customize your playlist song by song, you will need to upgrade your account to Pandora Premium. You can do this through the account settings on your Pandora app or on their website. Once upgraded, you can start enjoying features such as on-demand listening, playlist creation, and adding songs to existing playlists.
How do I add songs to a playlist as a Pandora Premium user?
So, you're a Pandora Premium user and you're ready to customize your playlists. Here's how to do it. 1. Open your Pandora app and sign into your premium account. 2. Navigate to My Collection and select the playlist you want to add songs to. 3. Tap the Add More Songs button. 4. Search for the song you want to add, then tap on the track and select Add to Playlist. And there you go. You've added a song to your existing playlist. So, while Pandora's playlist features may be limited for free users, Pandora Premium offers great flexibility for those who love to curate their music. With a premium subscription, you can add as many songs as you want to your playlists. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Keep exploring and enhancing your music experience with Pandora.